Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Summer. It's Foodie Friday. Let's eat.
Hello, roadies and our foodie friends. We are back with another Foodie Friday review, and this time we are talking about the new flavors from Lay's. The one that Wally's holding is called Cuban Sandwich flavor. Summer is holding the BLT sandwich flavor, and they are going to be sharing with you their thoughts on each one and what they think about them, if they're a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So, Papa, go ahead and try the blue ones first, the Cuban sandwich.
I only got one out, so
Yeah.
I'm going to try it after.
Okay. What do you think? What's the flavor like?
It's good and crunchy,
Mm-hmm. The flavor?
and I don't see that it's really a sandwich flavor, but you can definitely taste the dill pickle.
Okay.
But other than that, it's just a good crunchy chip.
All right. Would you buy them again?
Yes.
Okay. Summer, what do you think of the BLT sandwich one?
I didn't try it yet.
Oh, sorry. Okay, go ahead. Put it in. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Munch, munch, munch.
Chew it out.
Okay, look at me and tell me what you think.
It looks like sandwich bacon.
They look like a sandwich bacon? The chip does, or just the picture?
Chip that is like cooked chip.
Yeah.
Bacon.
You can taste the bacon in it? So you like it? It's a thumbs up for you?
Here, try me.
Yeah, why don't you trade and see what you guys think of each other's.
Yeah, you try them at the same time.
First is water, okay?
Okay.
Let Papa try it first and I
Okay.
done with water.
I don't really taste the bacon, but it tastes like a slightly smoked meat flavor.
So, sorry about that. The phone went hiccup. So, Papa said it tastes like a smoked meat chip. Okay, would we buy that one again, do you think?
If there wasn't any other things to choose from.
Okay. Okay, Summer, you try yours.
I didn't chew it.
Okay, go ahead and chew it.
Oops.
And one of the reasons why we chew with our mouth closed. That's a thumbs up for you too?
Tastes like pickle.
Oh, you think so? Like Papa said, huh?
And I do not like pickle on chips, just on sandwiches.
Oh, I see. So you don't like that one as well then?
No, I like this
You
one.
won't need any more of those. Let's trade back then, because I like these better.
Okay, well there you have it, folks. The consensus says that they like them both, kind of. Right? Alrighty, I have already tasted them as well, and I do prefer the Cuban sandwich to the BLT one, because the BLT just didn't have that flavor I was looking for. It wasn't that much of a bacon flavor for me, and I was a little bit disappointed on how the dill pickle flavor comes out on the other ones, but it didn't turn me off either. So there you have it. Thanks for stopping by. We look forward to sharing more reviews with you, and we hope to see you on the road. And to remember to Always take the scenic route.
I said it.